Hello everyone, welcome to our latest update. Here is a summary of the information you provided about the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 monogram series. Information on the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 monogram series. Highlights. Maybach, Mercedes-Benz's ultra-luxury division, is making its first foray into the two-seater class with the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 monogram series. This vehicle is based on the Mercedes-AMG SL 63 Roadster and has been given numerous modifications to transform it from a racy sports car into a plush grand touring convertible. Exterior design. It retains the basic body of the Mercedes-AMG SL 63 but is embellished with new front and rear fascias and the signature Maybach grille. The car features chrome trim all around and Maybach-specific 21-inch wheels. At launch, it will be available in two color combinations: red ambience, metallic red, and white ambience, bright white. Both will have a black hood. The standard cloth convertible top will be imprinted with dozens of Maybach logos. At night, the Maybach name on the grille lights up. A small Maybach logo is hidden within the headlamp housings. The hood can also be custom painted with the Maybach logo pattern. Engine and performance. It retains the AMG SL 63's 577 HP 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, 9-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive system. The car's suspension has been retuned for a softer ride. Extra sound deadening insulation and a new quieter exhaust system have been added to reduce noise levels. Interior design. The interior design is similar to the AMG SL 63's but features white Nappa leather throughout. The seats have been given extra padding to make them plusher for the Maybach version. The seats feature a special Maybach leather design and Mercedes' air scarf feature, which can blow warm air on your neck during top-down cold weather drives. The portrait-style center touchscreen runs the Mercedes MBUX infotainment system. The digital instrument cluster has special Maybach graphics. A hard black tonneau cover is also located behind the seats. Maybach logo designs have been used in many places inside the car. We hope you found this summary helpful. Please remember to subscribe for more updates.